light up my way, guiding me where shadows fade. I hear your voice, but you're not there, just a whisper in the air. Footsteps fading, static calling. Am I dreaming? Am I falling? Lost inside this endless maze, searching for the past we chase. I'm lost in the echo, running through the unknown. Every light is fading slow, but I still hear your voice. Waves of memories crash and burn, pages turn and lessons learned. I reach for you, but time won't wait. The past is just a ghostly fade. Footsteps fading, static calling. Am I dreaming? Am I falling? Lost inside this endless maze, searching for the past we chase. I'm lost in the echo, running through the unknown. Every light is fading slow, but I still hear your voice. Are you out there in the dark, or just a spark inside my heart? I'm lost in the echo, calling through the unknown. Though the night is fading slow, I will always hear your voice. Fading into the neon sky.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a musician, whether you create your music traditionally or with AI tools like Suno, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create an official quality music video using AI, and most importantly, how to pick the right tools for each specific task. No single AI tool is perfect at everything. Some excel at generating stunning visuals, but struggle with lip sync. That's where many people waste time and money trying to make one tool do it all. I've tested and researched these tools thoroughly, and today I'll break down which ones work best for every step of your music video process. One of the biggest challenges everyone runs into, but hardly anyone talks about, is the cost of using AI tools. Free tools come with heavy limitations, and to be honest, most aren't even worth your time. On the other hand, advanced tools can get really expensive, even for just a few seconds of video. For example, creating a 5-second clip with Kling 2 can cost around $1.40, and with VO3, about $3.75. Now imagine producing a full-length music video at those rates. It adds up fast, unless you're already making solid income from them. That's why in this video, we're focusing on cost-effective, smart choices. I'll show you which tools are actually worth your money and how to use them efficiently to get high-quality results without breaking the bank. You'll learn how to create consistent character images and maintain a matching mood throughout your video, not with free tools, but with affordable ones. Choose the right AI tools for video generation. Pick the best tool for syncing lips to your vocals, and use it the right way for the best results. Trust me, skipping any part of this video means missing valuable guidance that could save you both time and money. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, time-saving roadmap to create your own AI-powered music videos the smart way. Alright, let's start. I've already created my song using Suno AI, and if you'd like to learn how to make great music with it, check out the tutorial video. The link's in the description. Tip: listen to the song for a while, get a feel for the mood, and start imagining the visuals in your mind as you listen. And once you see something that matches the vibe of the song, start the process. Now that you know what your character and scene should look like, it's time to create consistent images. Head over to Nim AI. The great thing is, it only costs $1 to generate a full set of images for your video. Nim AI offers several models, but for this tutorial, we'll use High Dream AI. Here's the prompt. You can pause and take a look. Hit generate, and here's the result from that prompt. If you want your video to look cleaner and sharper, upscale the images with AI. When you upscale a low-quality image, it can cause some distortion, especially in the face. That's why it's important to upscale first if needed, and then do the face swapping afterward for the best results. The problem usually happens in the face, while the other parts of the image, like the background and everything else, will look cleaner and sharper. Search for Face Swap and click on Face Swap Online Free, Remaker. Then, upload the image you created along with the face you'll be using throughout the video. Make sure to stick with that same face for the whole video. Hit swap, and here's the result, clean and sharp. Quick tip: face swaps might sometimes have issues when the character's position, expression, lighting, or outfit is different. Try swapping multiple times. Use your first swapped image as the base, but keep using the same face you picked earlier to maintain consistency. When it still doesn't look right, try swapping using one of the other swapped images you've already used for the character in your video. Keep adjusting until it looks good. But it's not just about swapping faces. The most important thing is making sure your character looks the same throughout. Pay close attention to details like skin tone, race, age, body shape, and size. When you write your prompts, make sure these features stay consistent with image 1. You can change the outfit, location, or mood, but those core details need to match. Also, always use the same seed number. Uncheck Randomize, and copy-paste the seed from your first image to keep everything consistent. Let me show you some of my prompts. The highlighted words are the words that remain consistent throughout the prompts. Here are the images I created for this video. Now let's move on to creating the video clips. I hope everything's clear so far about making the images. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. You can use the Kling native platform. I'll be using it as well, but for now I will use NIM. We can use Kling 2's new model here, so open whichever platform you have that can run Kling 2. Like in native Kling, it has all those features. You can select aspect ratio. Let's take 16:9 and I'll select 5 seconds. We can also select 10 seconds. I'll enter a prompt: camera, fast bird's eye aerial tracking shot from extreme altitude racing over the edge of an impossibly high, narrow cliff on Mars in broad daylight. The camera soars swiftly across dangerously steep vertical drops on all sides, evoking a stomach-churning, height-tingling sense of vertigo. Subject: jagged, exaggerated rock formations with impossible, gravity-defying geometry, creating perilous cliffs and surreal vertical chasms. Environment: endless barren Martian terrain where strange, towering cliffs and vast canyons shrink to insignificance from this impossible height. Scattered across the desolate expanse stand colossal, ancient statues of long-forgotten kings, weathered and partially buried by centuries of dust storms. Visual style: ultra-realistic, hyper-detailed textures, clean, sharp cinematic daylight lighting with strong atmospheric depth, realistic dust haze, and an unsettling, otherworldly mood. Negative prompt: cartoon low-poly, fantasy, blurry, unrealistic anatomy, overexposed, fog-heavy, stylized lighting. Now let's see the result of the prompt. I want to use this for the intro of the song. I want the camera to fly through this rough, dangerous surface and travel to the man who will be the actor in this video. To achieve this, I'll take a screenshot of the frame from where I want to start the next scene, where the camera travels to the man. We already have the image, the screenshot of the last frame from the video. Why are we using a screenshot instead of creating a new image? It's because we need to keep everything consistent. I've also created the image of the man. Now on Kling, click on Image to Video and then click on Frames. I've uploaded 2 images, one for the start frame and one for the end frame, and entered this prompt. The camera travels quickly through the rough, rocky mountains of Mars to a man standing at the base of another rugged mountain. Here's the result. Again, I'll be using NIM here with Kling 2's image to video. I've uploaded the image of the man, and let's add more detail to the prompt to help the AI better understand exactly what I want. For example, instead of simply saying neon sky, I'll describe its colors, how it changes, and how it relates to the scene. Entered the prompt as: a man stands on the surface of Mars under a vast, dusty red sky. He sings passionately, his lips moving as if performing imagined lyrics. His facial expression remains calm and unchanged. As he sings, he slowly raises both hands to about arm level, palms open, and fingers slightly spread, moving them steadily in a deliberate, expressive gesture. The motion is smooth and unbroken, adding a subtle emphasis to his performance. As his hands ascend, the Martian sky begins a gradual transformation into a vivid neon gradient, streaked with glowing pinks, purples, and electric blues. The color change unfolds in sync with his hand movements, creating a seamless cinematic moment. The man's posture remains grounded, with a slight lift of his upper body as he finishes raising his hand, holding them aloft for a brief, powerful beat. The camera slowly dollies forward, closing in from a medium shot to a tight shot on his face as his hands reach their peak position. His lips continue to move with the melody, eyes glimmering in the neon light. A soft wind stirs Martian dust around his feet as the scene reaches its visual climax. Negative prompt: Mike. I added Mike because sometimes it could randomly add a mic, and I don't want that here. Cartoony motion, blurry motion, jitter, unbalanced movement, flickering limbs, expression lag, slow motion, repetitive loops, asynchronous facial movement, jerky transitions, camera drift or detachment, style inconsistency, unrealistic acting. And this is what it came out with. In the beginning, he raised his upper body and it feels a bit too much, but I can fix that while editing. And now we'll do the lip sync. Go to Kling, click on video, then down there, click on lip sync. Upload the video clip here, then click here. Then click on upload local dubbing and select the audio you have. You can't upload the full song, so trim it down first. In Kling, you can also trim it further and choose how long you want the lip sync to run, like for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Hit generate, and this is what we get. For the next shot, I'll generate another video clip using NIM Kling 2's image to video to continue the sequence. You can pause the video and take a look at the prompt. And here's the result. Now let's jump back into Kling and lip sync the song to the video we just made.
Falling stars light up my way, guiding me where...
The mouth movements look a bit too exaggerated. I tried several times with Kling but wasn't impressed with the results. Kling is great for creating videos from text or images, but it's not the best when it comes to lip syncing for a song. So I'll show you which tool to use for that. Here's another very important feature to use in Kling. Let me show you how you can swap the character or anything you want in the scene. You can swap, add, or remove anything using multi-elements. I've generated a video clip, but it's not our character, so we'll need to swap it with our character. Upload the video or select it from your history. Then, upload our character image. In the prompt, write, swap the man wearing a white t-shirt from at image 1 for the man dressed in black from at video. So, generate your video clips with Kling, but for the A-roll parts where your character is singing in a close-up, use other AI tools that specialize in lip syncing. And for the B-roll visuals or story shots, just stick with Kling or whatever tool you want. One more thing before we move on. Let me show you a way you can use AI to help you write prompts. It might not turn out exactly how you want, but you can always modify it. Just go to ChatGPT, click on GPTs, and in the search bar, type Kling. You'll see prompt generators for Kling 2, both for image to video and text to video. Click on it, start the chat, tell it what kind of video you want, and it'll write the prompt for you in the right format Kling 2 understands. You'll even get a negative prompt too. Just copy both, and you're good to go. Now let's use Hedra AI. Link will be in the description for you. Click on video, then select Hedra Character 3. Click on Start Frame, upload your image, and then in Audio Script, upload your audio. You can write a prompt too if you want, like how you want your character's emotion and gestures to be. But for a song, I find it's better without a prompt because singing is a little more complex than just talking. For simple talking, Kling also does pretty well. But singing is harder for AI to get right. So just create the video with your image and the audio. So now let me show you the difference with a prompt and without a prompt.
Guiding me where shadows fade, guiding me where shadows fade.
With a prompt, the character's face changes more. There's some subtle distortion in the eyes and face. So if you want, you can create lip sync with multiple images, sync them with the full song, and use those clips as A-roll. One thing I'm not so impressed with about Hedra is that it sometimes changes the character's face and fails to show exactly what's in the image. For example, the person in the image has my channel name on his t-shirt, but after the lip sync, the text changes to something else. Tip: use an AI tool to separate the vocals and music, like Vocal Remover. I'll drop the link in the description, it's free. And when you're doing the lip sync, make sure to use only the vocals. So I've covered how you can create consistent images with just $1, while using other tools might cost you $8 to $10. For video, use Kling 2 for more complex scenes. and Kling 1.6 for simpler ones. It uses way fewer credits. And for lip sync, go with Hedra or Dreamina AI. Instead of giving everything to AI, you can modify by yourself when editing the video using a better editing software. This will save credits, because if AI has to do it, you'll need to generate many times to get exactly what you want. If you've got any questions or if something wasn't clear, drop it in the comments. I'll be there to help you out, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video if you're serious about creating AI-powered content. Always stay ahead.